Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls and others, welcome to the vlog. It's your boy Louis Offer and your girl Suki Sue with their theme music. And today we're at the Grove Farmers Market right here on Fairfax. And we're having a car show today. And we're going to show you the car show today.
You gotta wrap that up, man. You can't put that on. You can't put that up there poorly
Why not?
because it's private property
Uh-huh.
and they make the rules. I don't
And
make
the
the rules.
rules are I
It's
can't
private.
I
It's
can't
private
film
property.
anything here?
You can't put it on. You can't put it on there.
Oh, I just can't put it on your
No, but
post.
you can film it.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you. Well, there you go. No putting cameras on post in the Grove. And check this out. We have the Gilmore Oil Company panel truck. I think that's what it's called. They own it. Is that a panel truck? And what year is it? 66. I was going to say 66 is too new. 56. That's a 56. And what make is that? Ford. Ford. There you go. But you see, you got that Gilmore panel truck, and then you got right here the Gilmore gas station. I don't know if you can see. Where the heck is it? Oh, that's Earl's. I thought this was Gilmore. Maybe it's Gilmore. There's a logo right there. Right there above Ethel. That old joke, Pumping Ethel. My grandma's name was Ethel. That's a terrible thing for me to say, but we love Earl's. All right, thank you so much for sharing your vehicle with us. You too. Appreciate you. And look at that. If the oil catches on fire, you got these people's fire truck and that nice dog. I said fire on the mountain. And that's a 1932 something Fox. And do not lean or touch. Oh, good pee-pee. So there's, look, Suki's peeing. And look, Gilmore gasoline. I love this place. And what do we got here? Oh, we got the lead sled. I think it's that man's there, whip right there. Is that your car? Young lady's car. What do we have here? Oh, that's it. Fitty Merc. You got them Paulo right there. And what do we have here? We got the Radio Flyer, the road with, oh, more Gilmore Girls vehicles. Look at that one. They're off to the races. Thank you. The dog's not bad either. And look at that Impala. We love those. More Impala, Lala. Come on, Suki, you gotta tighten it up, yo. We're doing a vloggy. Stop it. You can't eat people's food.
Here's my buddy from Honey Beach. Yeah.
And is this goat yours? Thank you. Yours. All the cars here belong to women. And they just drag their... Yeah, yeah. I can't. That's why I'm single. I can't afford them either. Look at that nice doggy. Uh-oh, Suki likes to come over here to get the bonies. We're going to go over here. Nice guy over here, David, likes to give Suki bones. We used to go to a meeting here pre-pandemic. Look, Suki, there's David. I think his name's David.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, buddy.
What's up, Frontero?
He said in Spanish, you got a bone for the dog. He's looking, he's digging. Oh, yeah, bony for Suki. Nice and hot, Suki. Too hot? Do you have something I can put in? It's too hot right now. Gotta let it cool down. Beauty. Yes. Thank you so much. And when you're here at the farmer's market, come get some of the best Brian's Pit barbecue. And oh my God, what do they have here? This is the DeLorean. I I'm sorry to say that German in Venice is in Germany. Can't see it because he loves Back to the Future. And from what I hear, they're coming out with a four-seater electric DeLorean. Let's see if we can find the DeLorean owner. Is this your vehicle? Have you heard anything about the new DeLorean?
It's not gonna, it's going to be a minimum of 10 years before you see anything.
Oh my God, by that time they really will be able to go back to the future.
Oh, gee.
She's funny. Look at that one. You know what that is? That's Route 66. Look at that. They even got the roller skating girl bringing the food. And you know me, I love the Corvettes. Look at that one. That's a 69. It's my second favorite number. I prefer 68. That's when she blows me and I owe her one. It looks like a bitchin' Camaro. Bitchin' Camaro. Another Camaro there. We love the Camaros. I bet that's your Camaro because you're smiling. This one here? What year is that one? Oh my God, it was only 5 years old when that was made. And look at that. It's got a fire extinguisher and a hat. Eh, thank you. People that own nice cars are all very friendly and happy to talk about their cars. Look at that. That looks like a Corvette motor and a Camaro. All right, let's see what else we have.
How many dollars?
Look at this Dodge right here. It's a little dodgy. I have a Dodge too. One day I'll show you guys. I have a Dodge Magnum that I turned into a hearse because I like this movie Harold and Maude. Look at all these nice cars, nice people. And we're here at the Grove in Los Angeles, the Grove. And look at that hot rod. That's a nice one. I could see me driving that with the flames. So on the flyer, it said that there's going to be 100 cars here. Does not look like 100 cars. It looks like 22 cars. I just made that number up. Is that one of those Jensen Healey's on the air rides? No, that's a Manti 2 electric boogaloo. We've got another goat here. We love the goats. Excuse us, pardon me, excuse me. Look at that one. Caddy, Chevy, what is that one? I don't know, but I liked it. Look at those wings. That's pretty cool. Thank you for getting in the shot. Yeah, don't bother me. Yeah, there it is. Look at this kid. He's got respect for the shot. Not like those other people. But on the other hand, I just walked through that guy's shot. Oh, look, more whips down here. Maybe there is going to be 100. Holy mackerel, look at all these cars. I loving it. Down here too. Let's go up here. Look at that. They got the farmers market tent right there. I'm not sure if it's the farmers market doing this event or the Grove. Oh, look, they got the Gilmore gasoline shirt right there to go with the gas station. Oh, you want your bony now, Suki? It's cool. Oh, you just getting the meat off of it. Good girl. Look at that. That's an old school gangster whip. I don't know what these old cars, really old cars are. Not really my skis. I like more of the hot rodders. But this Lincoln is certainly dope. I bet it's got suicide doors. Look at that. It's got the top that goes in the trunk. I bet it's that guy's in the gray's car. Is that your whip? It is right there, right? That's your whip right here. See that? I know these things. And they all match it. Wait, what year is that? 64. I was only 2. Very nice. Appreciate you. I had an Eldorado. I had a 76 Eldorado convertible 2-door. It had a 502 cubic inch motor. That was a lot of car. Look at that one. I like that. It's kind of like my buddy Nick's whip. Look at all these ones. Suki's trying to get back on that bone again. She's had a lot of bones lately. She's got some. Champa gave her some last night. So you guys know it was my 30-year sobriety birthday the other day, and now I'm well into my 31st year of sobriety. Look at this guy. He likes to do it in Malibu. Look at that motor. Very nice. Look at this. This is not the Coyote, but the Roadrunner. Pretty nice, huh? Not used to seeing them in green. That's the specs. And that's the interior. And that's the wing. And that's the little dog on the guy's lap. Look at that. That's a really old Impala. Look at that. He's got his cleaning products back there. I wish this camera zoomed out more. A little close up on everything, but it is what it is. Sometimes when you're close up, you can see more detail. Look at the hubcaps. Is that a Cataracts? Yeah, it looks like Bonnie and Clyde. Look at Prince would look good on that one, Pej. Yeah, that's a Packer, 1929 Packer. That's a really beautiful car. It's like art.
Look at the back little seat.
It's all, this part's getting edited out probably, but that's what the Grove looks like up there. You've seen us grooving at the Grove. Come on, Suki. She's been doing a lot of walking. You know everybody walks in LA. Look at that. That's Lincoln Thinking. Lincoln Lawyer. Continental. That looks like some more Cadillacs over here. Can't see good if you got Cadillacs. More Cadillacs. This is the Cadillac area for sure. Boy, that looks like the car I used to have. Now we're in the, look at that Lincoln. It's nice. That's from Entourage. Thank you for not going through the shot. Hi, kids. Lots of Cadillacs. I think this is a Cadillac car show. I think that guy's the original owner. Bought it new when he was an adult. You don't think there's anything down here? Bel Air. Suki's got me wrapped up, so we're gonna do a 360. Come on, Suki. It's a 59. Look at that, Hulk it out. Look how nice that bed is.
Next 3 weeks, you drive the Jeep.
Trans Am, good
And
car.
I had a Cadillac CTS quote on the lease. I was going to buy off the lease. I love the car. Well, this is a truck, and I customized the design. But the door
Uh-oh. Good girl, Suki. This car must be special. It's in the garage.
I'm gonna call him on Monday.
I guess. Yeah, look at that. Pretty cool. I think this is, it's like a slanty 6.
Okay. So I'm gonna call him on Monday.
Listen, nothing is concrete but this. Yeah.
And I didn't notice this earlier, but look, DeLorean, clock tower, DeLorean. You guys put that together, right? Well, that's it for the Grove Car Show. I hope you enjoyed the video. I don't know if you guys noticed this, but my whole outfit is the Sex Pistols. And big shout out to Jonesy and the show on Hulu called Pistols. Watch it, you'll love it like me. And I also been meaning to give a shout out and keep forgetting to my #1 viewer. That's right, Gene Carlos Spates. Thank you so much for sending me money. I bought ice cream with it. I love all your letters and stickers and everything. And whenever I think about not doing this channel anymore, I know doing this makes you happy. So you motivate me to keep doing this. So thank you, and all the other people that watch my videos. And with that said, we're gonna leave you all with the big cowbunga and a palm to the cam. Bam.